Theta is one coin that hung out during the bear market at about 80 to 100,000. 80 to 100,000. No, 80 to 100 million market cap for the whole early 2019 through 2021. And I saw it, and everything else kept bleeding, and Theta stayed strong. I almost went pretty heavy into it, and I did not do that. And obviously, I missed out on a huge run on Theta. So Theta's like a very awesome Web3 option, and Web3 might be the flavor of the month next run. So, if you don't follow Theta, this could be a really good DCA option for a large cap. All right. So within your portfolio, if you're somebody who has like $500,000 in crypto, you probably don't want to piss around with small caps, right? You need to do mid caps and large caps only. That's why the larger YouTubers who have, crypto portfolios of 1 million plus, they almost never cover small caps because they can't buy them. Like, that's not worth their time, right? So, however, if you are somebody with like less than $250,000 or something, for example, small caps are a great option for you, at least with a portion of this, maybe up to like, 50K or something like that. And then the rest of it, you need to consider large caps for your bear market targets, bear market options. So among that, regardless of the type of portfolio, what I'm saying is large caps within your portfolio, especially early in a bear market, large caps typically move first when Bitcoin starts going up. So Theta is a great option, in my opinion, for a lot of those reasons combined. All right, so it's still following my channel that I drew. Who the hell knows when? I don't know when I drew this, but it must have been December or after, because that's when it started forming. It was probably more like January that I drew this. So let's extend these bad boys, and it's probably going to keep staying in this channel. It could break below it, but as of now, there's no reason to assume that. And let's drag this out to past July. Good. So with the idea that Bitcoin might bottom within this next 60 to 70 days per the monthly chart giving that indication, I would make a box between mid-June to August 1st, maybe. Something like that. And does that align? Yeah, it roughly meets the projection of this. So around 65 cents could be a pretty good area of interest structurally. However, what I need to do is now I need to measure. I need to use my measuring tool to see if things align. So I'm eyeballing this. Now that I eyeballed it, I have to see, does this make sense on a percentage basis? And so I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to do it from its top in April. Is that 95% down? Boom, look at that. And I didn't plan this, right? So the only coin during this live chat that hasn't aligned is FTT. Look, 95% down. It's not a coincidence. It is not a coincidence. It's a rule of thumb for a reason. However, this does look a little bit more than 40% down from current price, so it might not align perfectly. So this is looking like it's about 60% down. So let's see. No, that's 49.50. So that actually does kind of make sense. It might come up a little shy of this target. So I would say if Bitcoin goes down another 26%, this goes down maybe 38 to 40. So I would put 40% down. And I would make another box. I would actually make another box somewhere about here. So my couple targets would be between 75 to 85 cents, and my other target would be 60 to 70. 60 to 70 and 75 to 85, those two boxes. Let me actually mark these. And these would be pretty good bear market targets for DCAing and, trying to get into position for this. These are, everything seems to align. It almost aligns perfectly, except this box is a little too far down per my bear market target for Bitcoin. However, this could easily be hit if Bitcoin goes below 22K, which really 16.4 and 18,000 even are targets for me. So if Bitcoin does hit my lower targets, it will hit 60 to 70 cents. It will hit that in that case. But a lot of things on Bitcoin are aligning towards a 22K-ish bottom on a wick with a weekly closure up near 25, 26K. So just keep that in mind. And if that were to happen, the 22K with a rebound that week up to 25, it might not go below 75 to 85 cents. And that's what we got for Theta.